Hi there, I'm in my bathroom because I just realized I'm almost out of body wash. This is my foaming dispenser and it's about 8 ounces. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to customize your own body wash. So it's almost fall, that's next week. So I decided to make fall scent or pumpkin spice body wash to get me in the season, right? So I have this and I'm gonna use my bath and shower base from Young Living. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons. I'm just gonna eyeball it and kind of go up to here. There we go. I had a tiny bit left. Then I'm putting in my essential oils. I have my Young Living essential oils here. I have cinnamon bark, nutmeg, ginger, and clove. And I'm gonna put maybe 1 or 2 drops of each and the rest of it with distilled water. And there you go. So here we go. Next is, I'm gonna put 2 drops of nutmeg. Okay, and oops. Yeah, there we go. And my favorite is cinnamon bark, but because that's a little like of a hot oil, I might just put 1 because it's gonna be in the shower on my body. Though it's gonna be washed down, watered down. And oops, a couple of clove. There we go. And then the rest of the way, distilled water. Gonna give it a little smell. Already smelling like pumpkin spice. Look at how fast and easy this was. And if you feel like you need a stronger scent, you know, you can always change it up after you try it out. I'll put the recipe in the comments. Yay, pumpkin spice.